This video is about writing essays using ChatGPT's functionalities. This is the second video in the Getting the Best Out of ChatGPT series. In the last video, I discussed prompt engineering and how students can benefit from writing better prompts. By writing better prompts, the students control the format, length, quality, and value of ChatGPT's response. In this video, I will continue from the same premise that a well-defined prompt is necessary for quality output. So, suppose a student has to write a 5,000 essay on the interaction between USA and China. He writes the same statement as a prompt to ChatGPT, write 5,000 words on the interaction between US and China. This prompt is weak. It lacks clarity. What is required? What is the period of interest? What type of interaction is relevant? This prompt will generate a reply that may not be sensitive to the needs of the student. The artificial intelligence can only do as much as the person using the tool can make it work. It's the creativity of the handler which will make the artificial intelligence responses truly remarkable. Now let's make the prompt better. Let's add the required spices. Specify the time period, in the last decade, then tell it what type of interactions, concerning the national security policy and the control over the African resources. Also add formatting requirements such as, write a 200-word abstract, then an introduction which clearly states what the essay is going to have, then the body text with proper headings, then end the whole thing with a conclusion. Look at ChatGPT write the essay so fervently. However, ChatGPT has a character capacity and T will stop writing after those characters are reached. Don't worry. You don't have to restart the prompt, and even if you do, ChatGPT will stop at more or less the same place. The solution for this is to prompt it to continue by typing "continue" in the chat box. You may have to prompt ChatGPT to continue more than one time, but it will write you the complete essay. It's writing so seamlessly. And now it's even writing the references. This is so cool. Right? Now before I start nitpicking the weaknesses of the essay and especially the references, let's ask ChatGPT for the title of this essay. Give an interesting and catching title for this essay that you have written. Notice that ChatGPT gave quite a bland name, strategic competition and resource rivalry, for the essay. Nowadays, it's the catchy names which attract audiences rather than content. So, if the content is secondary, then how can ChatGPT give me a better name? So, ask ChatGPT to be creative, make this title more creative so that people read the essay. And then ChatGPT really gave an interesting catchy name, African Chessboard, the Battle of Resources. Now let's take this name and paste it into our Word document. Copy the title using Ctrl-C and paste it into Word using Ctrl-V. Notice that the title is highlighted gray. Any text copied from ChatGPT will be highlighted. You can remove the highlight by right-clicking on the mouse. When the dialog box opens, select Paste Special, Text Only. Repeat the process for the abstract and other paragraphs of the essay. Do read the essay created by ChatGPT. It is not written by a human and may be prone to mistakes. It's better to be safe than sorry when dealing with artificial intelligence. Now finally, let's see the problem with the references produced by ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a high-level plagiarism machine as per Noam Chomsky, and that is actually most felt when it does not even give references without changing them. Now notice that the first paper cited has two authors and is titled China Returns to Africa, a Rising Power and a Continent Embrace. Copy the title and place it in Google Scholar. I find the same book in Google Scholar. However, note that the book on Google Scholar has three authors and was published in 2008.
Yeah, that's the same book, ChatGPT
To confirm that
said.
no version of this book was published in 2011, use Google search. Again, notice that the book is not published in 2011 and the first link when opened leads to the 2008 publication. Essentially, ChatGPT gave me half an incorrect citation. You can repeat the process but with the same results. Thus, the literature cited by ChatGPT is seldom correct. If any student uses the literature directly, they will give an incorrect literature review and a slightly active facilitator will find the problem. You can use these references to start your literature review, but ChatGPT references are not the end. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.